Hi guys, so I wanted to go over a question that you will find in your practice buddy, and I'm actually going to take myself out of the screen so that I can use the whole screen. So just listen and watch because you're going to have to do this on your practice buddy. Okay, so the top says Leo went to lunch with his parents. The bill was $17.85. Complete the table to show two different combinations of coins and bills that can represent $17.85. So yours will have a drop-down menu that you have to choose from, so you'll have to play around with it a little bit, but here's what I'm going to do first. So on one way, I'm going to start with bills. So to make $17, I want to think about the bills that I can use. Well, I can't use a $20 bill because that's too much. So the next highest bill I can use is a $10 bill, which is worth $10. And then I can use a $5 bill, which would give me, which is worth $5. So that's $15. And then I can use a $1 bill plus a $1 bill, which is $2. So I'm using one $10 bill, one $5 bill, and two $1 bills. That gets me to $17. Now I have to use coins. So the highest coin I can use is a quarter, which is worth 25. So if I want to get to 85, I want to think about what I know about quarters. I know that 3 quarters, and I'm just going to put 3Q, 3 quarters is equal to 75 cents, or 0.75. And that's about as high as I can go. And 75 to 85, that I need 10 more cents, and a coin that is worth 10 cents is 1 dime, 0.10 cents. And if I add that up, I get $17.85. So that's one way to show it. Now, if I had to show it another way, I can use, instead of a $10 bill, I can use two $5 bills, which would equal $10, right? So I can use two $5 bills. And then I can use, again, I can use two $1 bills, which is $2. I am sorry, I meant to say three $5 bills. Three $5 bills will get me to $15. Sorry, we need 17. Okay, so you have to play around with it a little bit. So three $5 bills is different than a 10, a 5, and two $1 bills. And two $1 bills, and now coins. So this time I'm only going to use 1 quarter, which is equal to $0.25. So I still have to get to 85 cents. So 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. That's 60 more cents. Well, I can use dimes. I'm going to use 4 dimes, which is equal to 40 cents. So if we add 40 and 25, we get 65. Well, I still need 75, 85. So I could use 2 dimes, or I could use 4 nickels, which are worth 5 cents. So 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. And if I add that up, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 85 cents. I think I said something wrong in there, but you see what to do. But on your practice buddy, You're going to have a drop-down menu that it asks you to choose different options from. So just make sure that you're choosing things that make sense. So let me see if I can show it to you in this video. Let's see if I can record this tab. Awesome. Okay, so this is what yours will look like. Sid went to breakfast with his friends. The bill was $18.95. Complete the table to show two combinations of coins and bills that can represent $18.95. Your numbers might be different depending on which practice buddy you get, but it gives you the bills and coins it wants you to use, but it wants you to come up with different combinations. So you have to play around with it. So pick different numbers, and then you have to make sure they're adding up to $18.95 both times. So this took a lot of trial and error. So you don't always get it the first time. You have to play around with it a little bit. So be patient. And if you need help, let me know and I can jump on here and walk you through it. So good luck. And take your time on these practice buddies. You'll do a lot better if you really take your time, use your whiteboard, show your work. Okay? Bye, guys. And bye.